Hello and welcome to another Python Hacks series. Today what I have for us is just how we can reverse a list, and let's call this list 1, and these are the elements inside this list. As you all know, those Python lovers, or if you're new to Python, a list is just a mutable sequence of elements. These are elements which are mutable, and they are arranged, they are ordered based on the positions that they have. For instance, the first element is in position 1 as 0, the second one is in position 1, and so forth and so on. So I would like us to use a function that is inbuilt in Python that is called the reverse function, and we use this object dot syntax notation, and because list 1 is an object dot syntax notation, and basically what this means is that we use the word object because everything in Python is an object. All right. So I can just print out and find out what's the output. So if we print list 1 over here, let's see the output. So as you can see, this has been reversed. Let me make it a little bit bigger. This has been reversed. As you can see, this has been reversed. Okay. And there's also another method that we can use to reverse the same string, or we can just alter the string a little bit and maybe just change the elements, and so that we can see this visibly variable, so we can leave it that way. So we can use the indexing option. The indexing option is normally used. It's a mechanism that we can use to manipulate elements, and we can manipulate data structures, and this is the syntax. So what we do, we just want to slice. We just use this slicing option that we have, and we are using that negative indexing. And so if we print this again, what we find, if we print this again, we want to see if also that list has been reversed for us. Yeah, we see the list has been reversed for us now. It doesn't start from 12, it starts from 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been beneficial. Let's see you again. Let's keep doing this. Please subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you.